41% of LGBTQ young people seriously considered attempting suicide in the past year. That's according to a 2023 survey by the LGBTQ plus organization, the Trevor Project.
So June, of course, is Pride Month, and today 10 News reporter Abby Coleman is working to dig into that statistic we just shared with you. She spoke with one teenager. You heard a brief clip just a moment ago, a teenager who says things need to change.
At 16 years old, Keely Meadows tells me there's a lot she's still discovering about herself.
I'm still discovering my sexuality.
She considers herself to be a part of the LGBTQ plus community and tells me she's worked to navigate who she truly is gender-wise.
That has been kind of integral in me finding out who I am.
But that process has come with challenges, especially when it comes to mental health.
I attempted suicide 3 times, and it's been quite the journey to go from there.
Keely isn't alone. The Trevor Project is a nationwide nonprofit focused on suicide prevention efforts in the LGBTQ plus community. According to their 2023 survey, 41% of LGBTQ young people seriously considered attempting suicide in the past year. I sat down with psychiatrist Dr. Ryan White to dive into that staggering statistic.
It's not that they're necessarily by themselves prone to these disorders by being on the LGBTQ spectrum, but because of the marginalizations, the stigma just of being who they are.
That hits home for Keely. She tells me she was bullied in a public school and is now homeschooled.
It happened almost every day.
White tells me that inclusive school communities are critical.
Where do you see areas that we can improve as a community to help those who may be gay or bi or trans?
Sure. And with kids specifically, you know, they say it takes a village to raise a child. Usually that village is coming out of school systems.
But the same Trevor Project survey says 56% of LGBTQ young people who wanted mental health care in the past year were not able to get it, whether that's because of unsupportive parents or another reason. Well, that was the opposite of Keely's experience. She says her heart goes out to the kids who don't have anyone to talk to.
Not having supportive parents and not having a safe home that you can go to is extremely detrimental.
Abby Coleman, 10 News, working for you.